Welcome. If you want to keep your Instagram activity private and stop the app from accessing your phone contacts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to prevent Instagram from accessing your contacts directly through your device settings. This method works for both Android and iPhone, and it's quick and effective. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all the permissions for the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll down and look for the section called Apps, or it might be labeled App Management depending on your phone. Tap on it to see a list of all your installed apps. Now, find Instagram in the list. You can scroll or use the search bar at the top to locate it faster. Once you see Instagram, tap on its name to open the app-specific settings. Inside the Instagram settings, tap on Permissions. This is where you'll see everything Instagram can access on your phone, like your camera, location, microphone, and of course, your contacts. Look for contacts in the permissions list and tap on it. You'll be given a few options, such as Allow or Don't Allow. Select Don't Allow to completely block Instagram from accessing your contacts. That's it. Instagram will no longer be able to read your contact list from your device. This means the app can't use your contacts to suggest friends or sync your address book, adding an extra layer of privacy to your account. If you ever want to reverse this, just follow the same steps and choose Allow instead. And remember, while this blocks Instagram from accessing your contacts through your device, you should also make sure contact syncing is turned off within the Instagram app itself for full privacy protection. Taking control of your app permissions is a smart way to protect your personal information and enjoy Instagram with greater peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more privacy tips.